Alrighty, hello everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are and whatever you're doing while you're watching. We are going to take a look at the 1-day chart for ENJ or Enjin. Now, I want to make a note real quick, as I do a lot of the time in the beginning, that the 1-day time frame, like any time frame, just represents one candlestick, and the price action that happens or occurs within that candlestick. So 1 day of price action is one candlestick in this scenario, right? So now that we've gotten that taken care of, let's take a look at all of these lines, what they mean, and what I'm predicting. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm looking at for Enjin. So right off the bat, we do have this bullish divergence, and I've marked multiple points clearly, right? Clearly multiple points where we have made higher lows all the way as we stair-steppered up, and we kind of tapered back a little bit. Right now, if you want, we can also take the fib retracement just to see if we have hit one of those points. Okay, and we do see we kind of touched down right around the 50% retracement. So we came up, we got a 50% retracement back, and now we're moving up again, right? But the question right here is, are we going down or are we going up? So this bullish divergence is a good sign for the bulls. That is one indicator saying, hey, we have a good chance of going higher. The stochastic as well, playing on the midfield but starting to curl up. That is saying, hey, you got room to move up. As well as we see our MACD, our MACD. Now I use an 821 EMA, unlike, many people use something different. You could use the standard. I like using the 821. It's proven to be the most valuable, giving me the most value when predicting price action. So looks like we're about to cross up on MACD. Now we can take a look at the 4-hour to confirm that and see we did dip above. Now we're kind of dipping below. We can take a look at the 1-hour here, and I'm just looking at the MACD. So we're consolidating, right? So we're consolidating on the shorter time frames, curling up on the 1 day. So what I'm looking at right now for Enjin is a pullback potentially to the 221 mark before we move higher. Now, if we do break below this lowest point here, which would be, we'll go ahead and call it the support at 188. Let me plot this line here. Let me get right at the bottom of the low there. So actually 189. So I'm going to call 189 kind of a good solid support. You can see we found support there right back here. We also found it right here as well and almost touched it right here. Back here we see it was resistance, right? So a good sturdy line to have. So if we break below 189, I'm going to be stopped out of this play, and I'm going to be looking for a re-entry potentially when we meet up with this 50-day moving average. Now I want you to note the 200-day is all the way down here at 49 cents. Right now, I do think we're pushing higher with Jumpnet. Jumpnet's going to be launching, I believe, April 6th. That is really going to give a ton of gas, right? By removing the gas from the NFTs. Right now on Enjin, if you create an NFT, you have to pay the Ethereum gas fees, and that's really kind of clogging up the potential of Enjin, right? So Jumpnet coming out on the 6th is going to allow developers to mint their NFTs on Jumpnet rather than Ethereum. Now it's going to take a little bit for them to integrate Jumpnet into their game, but it will eliminate that massive gas fee that we're seeing with Ethereum right now. So that's going to be absolutely amazing. That is going to be a very, very bullish catalyst for Enjin, right? It's going to open the doors, open sesame for developers and people that are showing interest but are being held back by those Ethereum gas fees. Now, so 189, excuse me guys, I am still a little sick, so if you hear me clear my throat, I'm just still recovering. 189 is going to be my stop loss and where I get out. Right, now if we keep pushing higher, what am I looking at? Now again, I'm watching for a bounce off of a 220. I believe we will come down a little bit, find support, and bounce back up. Let me go ahead and grab the extension. And if you hear me mute, I guess you wouldn't hear me mute the mic, but if I do randomly go completely silent, it's probably because I'm having just coughing my lungs out, and that'd be terrible for you guys to hear. So I'm going to be looking, let me grab my chart. Thank you. I'm going to be looking for a sell target. Nice, that is nice. Right around 374. 374 area with a second target actually all the way up at 425. So this is what we're looking at. This is where we are. We bounce right here. I would like to see a confirmation. Okay, and then I believe we are going to move up into this range right here. And if you're subscribed, then you'll know I'm going to leave all these drawings here. We're going to see exactly what it does, and then go from there. So we will continuously give the updates on Enjin. Enjin is my longest hold. It's currently my largest hold. So length and size, it is the largest hold that I have, and I've held it longer than anything else. We were back in Enjin. The Discord channel wasn't even out. We were getting into Enjin back here. You see all these lines, right? So we've been in Enjin for a very, very long time, and we will continue to update it as it goes. So if you guys would like a chart analyzed, leave it down below. Like I said, I have been sick, so I've kind of been going slower with the videos. Excuse me. So I've been trying to get them out, but they'll only increase in rate. So leave a ticker symbol down below, whether that be a Forex pair, whether that be a stock, a future, or crypto. I'd be happy to take a look at it for you. We will have the Discord link down below as well. So again, to reiterate, I believe we're going to bounce off 220, 189 breaking below that is my stop, and I believe we're going to go all the way up right around $4 if we do see this confirmation of another bullish leg up with that April 6th Jumpnet catalyst. Alrighty guys, much love. I will talk to you on the next video.